Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Use couverture chocolate with 30% cocoa solids for balanced flavor and shine, and measure 200 grams to yield 440 G-bars. Chop the chocolate fine and set 2/3 for seeding. Temper by heating the main batch to 45 degrees C, cooling to 27 degrees C with the seeded chocolate, then reheating gently to 31 degrees C to stabilize the crystals. Maintain that temperature while working. Pour the tempered dark layer into clean polycarbonate molds to make a stable shell, and gently tap molds to remove air bubbles. Whisk 120 grams full-fat milk with 40 grams milk powder and 20 grams sugar until completely dissolved, then strain to remove lumps for a silky texture. Add 60 grams melted cocoa butter and 8 grams lecithin or sunflower emulsifier to bind fats and liquids. Warm the mixture to 40 degrees C so everything is homogeneous. Cool and chill the milk cream to 6 degrees C so it thickens slightly. This prevents diffusion into the shell and helps retain a clean layered profile when you fill the tempered chocolate shells. Pour the tempered chocolate base into molds, turning to coat if making hollow shells, then refrigerate or freeze briefly. Freeze for 10 minutes at -5 degrees C ensures rapid set and minimal bloom. Fill each shell with milk cream to a target 3.5 mm thickness for consistent bite, smooth the surface, and seal with about 20 grams of melted tempered chocolate per bar. Cool again until firm. Demold carefully once fully set, wrap each bar, and store finished bars at 18 degrees C away from humidity and direct light for best shelf stability and texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.